In this video, I'm going to be going over setting up your layers in our Setting Up AutoCAD document here. So what we'll need to do is open up a brand new document, blank document in AutoCAD, and we are going to be editing our layer properties. So as you can see, we have our first layer right here, and if we go up to the top left, this button with the little yellow star right here, this is creating a new layer. So when we click on that, we are getting able to name our layer. I will go back and we're going to make an object layer. We'll make the color red with a continuous line type. So we'll name this one object. We'll change the color to red, and we will leave the line type as continuous. Next, we're going to make our border white in continuous. So we'll do new border. We're going to make this color white and have it be a continuous line type. Next, we're going to do a center layer, center, green, and we'll change our continuous line type to center. So we're going to make a center. We're going to change this to green, and then we're going to change our line type. We're going to load in, and this is in alphabetical order, center. And we'll say OK. Make sure that you go back and check center after you load it in and push OK. Now we can see our line type has changed to center. Let's do our next one. Our next layer is the hidden layer. It'll be the color cyan, and then it will be hidden lines. So we'll go to our right here. We'll say hidden. We'll lock that in. We'll choose cyan, and we'll change this load to hidden right here. And we'll say hidden. Okay. Our next layer is the phantom layer. It will be gray, and we'll choose the phantom line type. So we'll say new layer, phantom. We will make this gray, and we'll change from hidden, load, and we'll do phantom. Okay. Make sure you choose that once you load it and say OK. Let's make our next layer. We'll make this layer our text layer. So text, yellow, and continuous. We'll make this yellow. Say OK. Then lastly, we need to make this just back to continuous. All right, our next layer, we are going to do our dimension layer, or dim, blue, and continuous. So we'll do new layer. This is our dimension layer. We'll change this to blue, and then make sure that it is continuous. Our next one is going to be construction. We'll make it cyan and then a dashed. This one is construction. Construction. Make that cyan, and then we will make this dashed. There we go. Okay. Alrighty. Our next one is our view layer. We'll make it white, continuous, and then not printing. So this is our first one of that. So we'll say view, white, continuous, and no printer, right? So we say view, white, continuous, not printing. All right, so this is our not printing icon right there. And our last layer that we're going to be doing is section, cyan, continuous. So we'll do a new layer. We'll call this one section. We have to check that back on, change this to cyan, and we keep it as continuous. Okay, so now we can make sure go down your list, make sure that you have everything and that you're happy with that. So this is how we are going to set up our layers for AutoCAD.